Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Eureka Bagless Canister Vacuum. This is lightweight vac for carpets and hardwood floors. Alright, so today we got our Eureka Bagless Canister Vacuum. This one is a super nice vacuum. This is the upgraded model from the other one, which is the smaller canister. So this is a HEPA filter that comes with it that is washable. So you can continue washing this, saving on filters. This does have a bagless canister, which has effective cleaning performance. It has a 960 watt motor and a 16 kPa suction power that can capture large particles inside your carpet. It quickly separates dust and air, so this does get a lot of dust inside of it. When I cleaned it out, it had so much dirt and debris in it. I could not imagine how much a vacuum could actually pick up, especially after I've already used another vacuum to try to vacuum it up. So right there is the user guide, and inside you get the hose, and this one is not cordless, but it does have a retracting cord, so you don't have to worry about dragging the cord around. This does a multi-floor cleaning. You can switch seamlessly between hardwood floor, carpet, and tiles. Being that it is versatile, this floor and carpet cleaner is versatile vacuum cleaner. You can step on footage to extend the bristles of the floor brush and cut through the dry stains that are stuck on the floor without being able to bend over, ensuring that it is convenient and comfortable for cleaning. So you do get the attachments. They do have several attachments here. This is the main floor attachment. So this vacuum does have a 3-stage filtration that effectively captures and filters the dust particles with an impressive filtration efficiency of 99.9%. It is a full sealed canister vacuum cleaner which can trap dust particles as small as 0.3 micrometers, ensuring that you have a nice clean air and safeguard, especially if you have any allergies. You don't have to worry about it floating around in the air. So here is the hand vacuum attachment. It has this little button right here. You push this button down and it should lift this part right here, making it longer so you don't have to bend down to vacuum the floor. This does have a 2-liter dust cup, providing enough capacity to extend cleaning sessions so you don't have to keep dumping it out. And it does have a reusable filter, so all you have to do is take it off and rinse it under the sink. So it is reusable. You don't have to worry about buying extra filters, which saves you money in the long run. So this adapter, which is the hand tool, which allows you to clean your couches and sofas and chairs. So this is a nice tool right here. You can just add it to your vacuum and it will suck up all the hair or debris that you have on your couch. So this is a nice little adapter. There are several different tools that come with this vacuum. So right now we're going to go to the vacuum, and this one is not cordless. It does have a cord, but it has a retractable cord. You got nice little wheels here on the bottom, so when you move it around, it does move around, and on the back side is where the cord is. All you have to do is pull the cord out. You push the silver thing here up on the back and it retracts. So this is a retractable cord. You can also carry it like that, but you push this button and it retracts the cord back into the vacuum. Again, we're going to push it and it retracts back into the vacuum, so you don't have to worry about having any cord hanging around. It does retract back in the vacuum just by pushing this silver little button. So now this is the power button. You can turn it high or low. To turn it on, you just push it down. And this little silver thing right here in the front, that is to expose the canister as well as the filter. The filter, both of them are washable, so you can just wash these and reuse these as many times as you can. And then the canister right here, so you can see that the filter is right behind the canister. The white filter is right here, and then the other filter is on the back side. If you want to expose the canister, there's a little clip here at the top. You can see that there's a compartment here on the bottom. So to expose the canister, you'll just need to push these little silver things up right here, and it lifts up so you can clean out the canister as well as the filter. You just pop this off right here. Both of these are washable and reusable, so you can reuse those as many times as you can. And then this is where all the dirt and debris goes in here. You just take that off, dump it out in the trash, and then you're ready to go. You just pop this right back on here and it should snap on. Once it snaps on, it locks in place, and then you put it back into the vacuum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this in place, and then I'm going to connect it and turn it on, and I'm going to show you how loud. It's not really loud, but it's not really quiet either. So I'm just going to turn that on and let you listen to how nice this vacuum works.
Why didn't you get my deal? Well, because I put this up.
So you can see that it is not super loud and it's not super quiet. It does a really good job of picking up hair. You can see that I do have some pet hair here, and it is picking it all up. In fact, it started picking up my carpet, a little bit of hair here just to make sure that I can get up all this hair off it. If you're looking for a nice vacuum that is a canister, I'd highly recommend checking out this Eureka canister.